Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Okay. This is Let's 2024 public service announcement. Today is our fourth meeting. Okay. Then, introduce myself. My name is Wong. No. We are from Group 11. My name is Wong Ziyan, matric number 179389.
My name is Wong Xiaofeng, matric number 17691.
My name is Lily. My number is 179661 from FUMK, taking Mandarin course.
My name is Jang Sun, matric number is 180770.
My name is Vivian, matric number 176425.
My name is Cozy, metric number 179787.
My name is Wong Yunlin, metric number 178725.
My name is Rasmita, metric number 176115.
Okay, last week we already did the supporting details for every subtopic. So today we need to choose one subtopic for our PSA video 1 and plan and divide the work for the introduction. Okay? So last week I asked all of you to think about it.
Inside the one set, right?
So, speak out your preference.
When we no need to choose one and do it in video, right? We just have to think of a story, right? We need to choose one of the topic.
Choose first because we need to create the story base. We can get a rough idea what we want to do.
But
So we need to pick anyone from
for
Four subtopics.
So today need to confirm it already.
Yeah, because we need to discuss the production, about the process, location cut, script, and so on. Type lah, the most easier.
From side, how do
The aerobic
we need to perform any aerobic and
Yeah.
But I think this one is much more, how to say, so many points. Much easier to elaborate.
Very hard because like, for example, the first supporting point burn calories.
Okay,
how you perform, how to
you
burn
want to
the
show
calories.
out that it's burning the
Maybe
calories.
you can focus on the reduce stress, like
Like
feeling
we just very stressed
and
after that you go and
you
jogging.
So
happy.
show the stress meter. Cool down.
And also what?
Reduce the risk of getting disease. These are all very need imagination.
Yeah.
So I
Although
think
it's not
quite
it.
hard to show.
Like that, you can show out every single type of exercise.
Yeah.
Then I worry is like the type is like didn't relate to the health.
Oh, yeah.
So relate to the health is advantage more to the health.
Or maybe precaution. We can show the exercise. We can do warm up, cooling down.
Maintain our health, how to
But health only is the theme, not the our subtopic is exercise, right? So our topic need to base on the selected topic. So I think that any type, 4 of these also can just see which one is better and much more easier to do. Because we are the video is shooting in the inside the campus, right? So need to think about it lah. Because if you say for the aerobic and anaerobic, we got many type of exercise, right? Need to go many places.
I work precaution.
Precaution also can. We can show that if you don't have suitable wear, what happen will injure, something like that.
Why no one sees the frequency?
Like information.
How many times a week you need to
Show
show? One week you need
Day one application.
Continuous 7 days.
For me, I prefer advantage lah because it's like can show the face, facial expression. For like the burn calories, maybe you can show like you after you run jogging right, and then you like sweating everywhere, and then
Then sweating is a calorie.
means burn your calorie already.
so I think it's a very potential topic lah. Apart from what you say, we focus on health, like can build up health body. We can also show that if you exercise frequently, you can do very well in sport. Then you can get many
like more energetic.
become more energetic, and you can be easily recognized by your lecturer. Something like that. You can add in different angle lah, apart from help.
Means I get many advantages lah.
Yeah.
And also can have different story now.
Mm.
Fix. So how? Advantage.
Yeah.
But advantages we got 5 supporting points.
Remember you just pick any.
Want to pick or want to use all?
Can use all right?
Can?
But
Just
the video only need 2 to 3 minutes.
as long as in the range.
You can connect the story.
So which one become the first one to be performed?
So now performance will choose advantages.
I think can just perform on because 2 to 3 minutes also quite long actually. Because you think like if you, I'm showing I'm jogging now, burning the calories. Actually only a few seconds only.
Okay, then we choose advantages. So use all the supporting points.
Maybe we can try to.
Add on.
Add on. No, try to think about the storyline.
Oh, yeah, lor. The storyline.
Like
Which
first
one
one
comes first?
jogging and then.
I mean, which supporting details come first?
Burn calories something related to the reduce of
Burn calories is becomes slimmer, thinner, but reduce the risk of getting
Maybe
disease.
can but like before and after you like always getting sick and then not feeling right around every time. So after jogging then feel very energetic. Like very happy.
So now we want to think about how we gonna start the video. First thing is what?
stress.
And stress sick.
Stress. Yeah. This one I agree.
Exam activity.
So sit alone in the
Oh,
corner.
yeah,
So reduce stress come first. Okay.
First thing like we need to like introduce a respective
Introduce a what? Uni life.
Can choose one person to be the main actress. Then we like tell a story about her.
Or just do one scene and then to another scene. We got you can just tell we got the
show us the video.
but then it's much more easier. You don't need to have a long storyline like that.
Yeah, lor,
You
then
can
no need
direct
to-
tell the
don't need to
advantages.
have the storyline relation.
Just show the
like that.
important
Yeah, show the important part.
Okay, lor. Then reduce stress come first, then
You just need to list out what point you want to perform, and then we just think about the based on the point we think about what to do for the point. The action, what you want to perform.
Maybe we can show by the before and after.
I think the most important come first, then followed by the others. So I think which one?
If you want to show it in a funny way, we can just show our merit book.
Yours.
If you want to do in funny way.
Can also funny way.
Yeah.
More interesting. Like showing off your metric and merit. Then what is me?
advantage.
So now we list out all the things we want to do. So reduce stress. The one already.
No, reduce stress. We arrange a sequence. I think the burn calories is most important.
Because exercise sure we will sweat right.
So burn calories, then reduce the risk of getting disease. Then reduce stress. Then
The second one can relate with the first one, right?
so you mean the first and
Burn calories and reduce the rate.
so become four supporting.
Or we still can add on one can live much more longer. This one also can. You can jogging until you old. Something like
Four also
that.
okay already. So cancel the reduce the risk of getting disease.
So this one can relate
Combine burn
Combine into
calories
one.
and okay. Then second Three times worth of nutrition.
The student will not spend like go shopping, spend money. Yeah, we can do the action.
So now we decide we want to make it in a funny way or in a serious or create awareness like that.
Maybe you can make like the facial expression to be funny. No need to like do something. Besides that funny, we also bring the message to.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want one funny ah?
Not
so funny and bring the awareness.
Besides funny, we also.
Okay, now we already settle the concept. So how about the location? Actually, I suggest K70 because K70 got many kinds of talks or you can easily to get the people talk, technique talk, people talk. And we can borrow the style given from the Java.
And then I think not all of us will be in the video, right? Because because some of us have to take the video.
Some also need to edit the
Yeah.
behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Okay, so the location set at
K70.
K70. And the casting. Wow. I mean,
I think
got four only four be the actress, one be the camera.
Me, I think camera.
Camera.
Yeah,
Be the
camera.
Okay.
No, I record the video. I mean, you guys.
Oh, never mind. They come to K70.
Mm.
Oh.
So that's the. So do we need script? Do we need to speak in the video or just add in it?
Just acting or you want to acting.
Then we add the subtitle.
Like the video that I will show you also.
Acting and with some
We no need
with
to
some sound on it.
Sound on it, no need to like speak in words.
Yeah.
Like that. Easier lor.
What sound you want to put?
But all the program who can edit the video, who is good in editing video to insert the words.
Like our previous video, I know how to edit only. I didn't know how to put the sound and all. And even the transcript or subtitle or whatever. Yeah.
Maybe it's a main Okay, then you put in charge in editing a video. Props. Okay, what props we can get from the official? For four supporting details, one person in charge, one support to add one supporting details. Okay. So number one, burn calories. I want to do that one.
Why? I also can.
Jogging.
Use more calories.
They don't have calories burn.
Hey.
Okay lah.
You need to sweat a lot.
Hey, Mary can say what? I'm joking a lot. Well, reduce stress. Also you. I suggest Jarina.
Joanna is this one,
Create and
yeah.
Oh my god. And then what else? Also you.
Don't very easy one. Where got free?
Lying on the bed.
Where got?
Free time like Bong Xiaoben can always watch video, watch drama, go jogging
I don't like jogging. Like reduce stress and can take part because like normally do yoga and
Stress to yourself. Okay, then the number third one, give Bong. Feel the free time.
Don't show the negative way, like go to shopping.
Oh,
After that only like if go exercise right, can stop spending too much money.
Like
Now you shoot the disease one.
Oh, disease and yeah, 奔逃率 and disease together. What? I can together. Yeah,
Good job together.
that's why.
other way
Okay.
okay lor, so back and think of the next week we need to discuss the progress of our preparation. So I think since everyone got the job already, then all of you go to think of the job scope. Then we discuss.
If anything, then we discuss again.
Yeah, forgot to tell you all find out.
Next meeting will be on the same day.
Next meeting back to Tuesday because this is because Serena got the Tuesday, same place, KA, 7 o'clock. This week, the actress get the most job. Need to think how to add up think how to add up.
Go back, bring your calories.
Hey, no need to keep the calories first.
The
video.
building up.
Building it up in a second only. Okay lor.
Yeah,
Okay
bye-bye.
lor. Bye bye.
Bye.